Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bags of Style. Yes, we have another unboxing today. These items I actually have purchased one a couple of months back. I'm just opening it, and the other one just came out, which is crazy because this was a hot bag when it came out. Anyway, if you guys like videos like this, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And what are you waiting on? Come on, join the family. For my returning subscribers, I love you guys. Thank you for the continuing support. So without any further ado, let's get this unboxing done. Okay, so I think the way I'm going to do it, let's open the first one and then the second one, and then I'll explain to you guys, okay, what, how, and why I got the bags. So, the first item, let's see. Let's see. Okay, guys, so let's see. I think you guys can see it's from Coach. All right, let's put this box down. So the very first item I got, oh my God, guys, I got the Coach heart bag. Let's see. All right, let me open this up. Oh my God. Okay, guys. So just the FYI, both of these items actually came from the Coach outlet website. Okay, so this is the amazing Coach heart bag that was so popular back in like February or something. It went viral on TikTok. Everybody wanted this bag. So what ended up happening was that Coach actually just came out with this line with the heart line or something like that, and this bag was part of the release. But guys, so if you were insider, you got the opportunity to shop it before everybody else. So since I'm an insider, I was able to actually grab this bag before everybody else. And guys, I'm not sure by the time I upload this video if this bag is still available, because it literally sold out within not even 24 hours. So people were really waiting for this bag to re-release. Okay, so let me unbox this. Let's see, they wrapped it real good though. Let's see, which is really good because sometimes when you order stuff from the outlet store, honestly speaking, it come not wrapped up at all. So I'm really happy they took the time to really get this done correctly this time, because I've had disappointing unboxing, and not just unboxing, I'm just taking it out of the packages. I've been very disappointed. So let's see. So anyway, if you guys are interested in shopping it, this is the style is C6952. The style again is C6952, and it's considered red and true pink multi. So you got the pink right here, and then you got the red, and then basically, if I can take this off. Oh, they really I'm so proud of you, Coach outlets. So they really packed this one. Oh my God, guys, look at this. Look how beautiful this bag is. Oh my God, look. So you got the first pocket area right here, and then you got the second. So this has two different opening, okay? Then you got the second area right here. So this is the Coach heart bag in the multi red and pink color right here, with the strap that got chain on there. So if you guys want me to do a detailed review or do a comparison, because I know I did unbox the I think Kate Spade. I do have a Kate Spade heart bag. So if you guys want me to do a comparison between the Kate Spade heart bag and the Coach heart bag, please leave it in the comment below, and I would definitely get that video to you guys. Okay, so if you want me to do a comparison between the two heart bag, leave it in the comment below and I'll get that done. So that's the first unboxing. So the second, let's see, this also, like I stated, is from the the Coach outlet, the website though. Alrighty, guys. So this actually is 2 items. Ah! So this one was the one that I ordered probably like a couple of months back, but I just haven't had time to really open it. So if you guys are not aware, if you go on the Coach outlet and you go on the woman, there's a part that said Coach Reserve. With the Coach Reserve, it's actually retail items that get sent to the Coach outlet's website. So these are actually Coach retail bags, but it's like discounted or whatever, like really deep discounted. So this one, look at this beauty. Oh my God, it is even beautiful in person. Oh my God, look at this. So guys, this is the swinger with chain, okay? So this is the glove tan swinger with chain, and it's in B/candy pink. So if you want to shop this, is the style is 65430. Again, the style is 65430, okay? So this is the swinger with the chain, with the strap. So it comes with the strap right here. And I think it also has a chain in it. So let's, oh, they, okay. I am so happy with these unboxing and the way they're wrapping these items. This is like 10 out of 10 for all of the bags. All right, so let's take this strap out. Oh my God, I love this pink. I really wish, let me see if I can really do it any justice. This is like that candy pink. This is beautiful. I love this pink. It really is a true pink. Simply beautiful. Really simply beautiful. I cannot wait to really wear this bag and give you guys a detailed review. Like, this bag is beautiful. So you can tell I'm keeping it because I'm cutting everything off. Okay. So you got that. So it actually do come with the strap, which is a long strap, and it's adjustable. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think 5 or 6 different holes right here that you can adjust it. And it also, I think that was why I was so excited, it comes with the chain. Guys, look at this chain. Oh my God, look at this, guys. Look at the detail. You see how it got the letter in it? Look at the detail, guys. Look at this. This is simply beautiful. I was so excited to get it just because of the chain. Isn't that weird? That's so crazy. But this is the chain, and this is the beauty right here. This bag is so beautiful. I cannot wait to give you guys a review about this bag. And it has the original glove tan leather, and it comes with the strap. Look at this, guys. Oh my God, I can't wait to give you guys a detailed review. All right, so last but not least, we have this beauty right here. Okay. Oh my God. I am so happy Coach did a fantastic job with these bags. Guys, look at this. Oh my God. Look at this, guys. Isn't this beautiful? Let me see. Yeah, I think this one is a fail. I might have to return it because look, it looks like it's beaded up. Look at this, guys. It has like a little look. Look at this. You see it? Yeah, this one is a fail. It looks like really dirty, guys. Look at this. It looks like it's like a store, like a return that somebody returned. And then they sent it to me. Let me see. I mean, they did wrap it good, but yeah, I'm gonna have to return this, guys. So this one is the Quilted. I gotta see what bag this is, but yeah, I'm a little bit upset because I was so excited about this bag. But it looked like it's a return. I don't know if, I mean, they did stuff it good though. That's one thing I can say. They did stuff it really, really, really good. But it is scuff up. Guys, look. Look at this. Look at this, guys. And this is supposed to be a white bag, guys. So, yeah, this is getting returned. Look at this, guys. And I got it for such a good price. I am so mad. This was such a fail. So, we got successful and a fail unboxing. Ugh. All right, guys. So, yeah, this is a return. It is definitely scuff up. You can see, like, it's like, yeah, I'm not keeping this. You got the little, see right here? Got the little mark right here, little scuff. You got like the letter kind of changing here. And then it just look like it's like yellowing. I don't know if it's just me, but I'm gonna take a look at it. But with that scuff right there that I just saw, guys, yeah, I'm not keeping this bag. So I was super excited to open it, but this one is going back. I'm gonna probably take it to the Coach outlet that's by my house and just let them know like this is not it. Just opened it and just look how dirty it is, guys. Yeah, this is not it. Anyway, so this was the unboxing. Well, the 2 successful, 1 failure unboxing. Anyway, if you guys like videos like this, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day. Bye.